Okay, it's time again.
Do the
Whoa. Oh man.
You speed it up, bro.
Total 3. We're going back.
flashlights. Oh yeah, I got a bigger flashlight this time.
Yeah, he's got an insane flashlight. Okay.
Oh fuck, don't do that, bro.
I'm gonna
See
go
you
blind.
Fuck.
Yeah.
That'll be a good
So-
signal.
You guys might want to do a little bit later, so it's like a cop hop like this.
Dude, no
I'm
one's
gonna
gonna
wait until this guy gets.
Nah. I'm not gonna see it.
Keep an eye on that way.
Operation is now commencing. Tries up there. It's not as late this time, so this could be a little risky, but let's do this. Okay, looks good. There's some people in this window. I think that could be some people studying. I think it could be dangerous. Okay.
Yeah, there's somebody right there.
Somebody right there. Shoot.
He's going in home.
Okay. What happened?
What the fuck? The light's on. What the fuck?
The light is on. The light is on. The light is on. Wait, no, I'm not cool. I can see you. There was a light on in the manual.
You turn off the light because the people walking by see it turn off.
Oh, wait, fuck. Alright. Should we leave it off?
Yeah, leave it off because people walking by see it. You have your flashlight, right?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Yeah, because it's dark. So when people walk by.
Man, I've filmed this part many times, so I'm gonna skip this. I don't know if that freaks me out. It's a giant fake spider man.
What the fuck?
What does that do? How did that get there?
You like pointed it out.
I was like, Jesus. What's going on now?
Take off your socks, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
You see that?
God fucking damn it. I ain't going there, bro.
There's water blocking the way.
Oh my god.
That's pretty deep.
Is that deep?
Yeah, look, see that'll go past your
Well, walk on your tippy toes. Bare feet.
I'm trying to think of how to do this.
Climb on this freaking monkey thing.
Alright, that's it.
You can do this, dude. Oh yeah.
It's not a good idea, but like, if you want to do that, go ahead. Bro, I ain't doing that, man.
Oh, that is sick. Keep it up, man. You almost there. Just
Just
don't.
walk into it, you know.
Oh, jeez.
You're gonna fall.
No, it's cool. He's good. It's good.
Holy fuck, but like, how are we supposed to get there? You can get there, but how coming?
You almost there, man. Go. It's like the Olympics. Dude,
Holy fuck.
that is gym credit at its finest.
I know, but like, I ain't doing that, bro.
How the hell am I supposed to get the camera, bro?
Exactly.
Alright, you up.
Yeah, but how are you gonna get there? Like, one last
Like, just do what he did.
I'm gonna fall, dude. It's gonna happen.
Fall. A lot of pressure.
Oh my god, I'm clutching. This is too dusty.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a powerful flashlight.
Let's go back.
Hello everyone, so I'm gonna stop the video right there. We do survive, but I'm in the middle of editing this right now, and I noticed that in the moment, I guess I didn't notice, but when I was filming, apparently the video camera, you can like draw on it, and I guess my fingers were touching it or something. That's what that little white dot was in the last clip, if you noticed that. So for the next minute or so, I just want to apologize. There's going to be some squiggles over the screen, so just, heads up. Yeah, it's very wet. We're trying to get something to help us cross. Oh god. Oh, the gate's open. How convenient. This night walk.
Look, there's a bag here.
Yeah.
We'll bring all this.
Could walk in the bag. Let's go.
You're getting the thing all
You're
wet.
supposed to put it on around your feet, you idiot. Oh, well.
I can't wrap it. That's the thing. It's too big.
You just
What?
Let's not do this.
Oh my god, now it's all wet.
Yeah, nice one, dude. Oh, jeez.
Okay, now that one's a lot cost.
Alright.
Right there. I'm
Oh, now it's
using
recording.
it.
Oh, okay.
So we're trying to click it again. This is gonna be
You're gonna walk like that, dude? You're gonna walk.
Oh yeah, there we go.
You're gonna be so like unbalanced, dude.
I'm still making it. This is actually not bad, dude.
Hey, just make sure you don't splash any water on your, Oh my god, he's actually doing it.
Well, the food like kind of
Hey, but you did it somewhat.
Well, now I'm alone without my family.
Hey, no, I'll be with you, but we might have to like, I don't know
Actually, I
how.
did get my shoes kind of wet at the end, though. Not so easy getting up this. Alright.
Alright,
Camera filming?
yeah.
You can stop it. Yeah. What the hell all this? Is this something?
This must be the garage bay by Course Tech.
Can we open this?
That's one thing I'm thinking. Should we do it?
I'm going to exit it.
There's no security tag like there was the last one.
There is a warning. Something goes off, we make a run for it.
Yeah, it's not a sound.
I don't know if that has to do with this.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Wait. Oh, I know what this is. Should we get closer?
Yeah, listen. Do you know how to describe it to him?
Yes, yeah.
You know the old steam tunnel that we want to explore is before the gate. So if we bring you in at the exit, the final exit, you're not going to be able to get to the old steam tunnel. You should just come in right here. You know where we are right now? I gotta go out, okay?
Alright, let me. So we made it to the transformer room. Shry stayed behind. He went to go back up through Coles Tech and made us heal because there's a gate he can't climb through. But we haven't heard from him. We're calling him, but he doesn't seem to be back yet. Oh wait, is that? I think that might be him. Oh, I can see him on the. I think he's coming. I think he's coming. Yeah, there he is.
Old tunnel.
This is what now?
Old tunnel. The old steam tunnel.
Yo, it's so wet.
And yeah, that way is where we walked through. I hit my fucking head at that point. I mean, this is what I was thinking, walking from there to here, but like over here, that's what that little exit is for. So yeah, I guess you can come back, dude. That's what I was wondering.
You know what? I'm gonna.
Do we want to go this way?
Dude, there's no exit that way. You have to go through that little gate again. This is the only exit. That's like the easiest shortcut.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you guys go through that little hole there, dude. Dude, you gotta trust my sense of direction.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. There's that hole over there that we came through last time.
Yeah, this is the only, like, the nearest exit.
Yeah.
Easiest.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you propose we do?
Just walk this way and then like walk back using the ladder.
Oh.
Get out from here.
Okay, so
That's
then
the
back.
easiest way.
You want to go like? Should we at least go like look at the? I know we've been to the heating plant last time. Do you want to go look at it one more time?
Sure.
And then turn around and leave.
Yeah, I mean, dude, we seen everything.
We had to freaking cross water and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, fuck.
And it's hard to like, I guess it's kind of hard for you to navigate inside tunnels like this. It's not really that complex, I mean, for me. There's hidden plant this way.
Some light on it now.
Oh, fuck, man. I'm just burning right now. What the hell? Fuck.
There's the map. We
Maybe
made
there's like a ton right here, little ton.
the map again. We can't have to cut
In
it
this
short.
building right there? Yeah.
Wait, I see. Maybe oh, well.
It's in hold on, what the
holy way
fuck? It's
now.
in, well, like right here.
That's the exit. Yeah.
Exit.
The exit.
Between Stratton, what the fuck? That's too close. So yeah, that's the heating plant. It's right.
It's right there. Yeah.
It's right there.
Last
One of those buildings.
Which says too close.
And last time what the hell is this? This is okay.
That's the end. Like,
oh yeah,
remember the first
it was locked.
expedition?
Oh,
Yeah, that was our first exit. That's the.
The gym thing.
Well, I don't know about this exit. Is that like the brown exit?
That's the one we got you in. That's the other
this
one we never. We looked at that, but we didn't go all the way out.
Oh, that's the alternative buzzard. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the enter. But you should like mark the gate, dude. That small ass gate.
Hey, wait, let me turn the light on.
We are now exiting.
Freaking exit this place.
We made it.
And
Well, until next time. Not as exciting, but you know, there's a couple interesting things. But I guess, you know, I had to kind of cut it short. We couldn't really find many new places. But until next time, that concludes Tunnel Traversals Part 3. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, and he's got to wash off because he got really naughty.
Yeah, try to do it if I place a no amount of
Oh yeah, that's it.
Wrong, dude.
It's like
Imagine your peg.
Just hop in the shower with that stuff.
That was good.
Yeah, just like trying to like
Kinda
just
better.
bounce around back your way to like spruce, but then take that off.
Trying to just bounce it on the way back.
Bounce it back, get all the dust off. You know, like the guy with the car.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Sick, dude.
You just like slap that thing on the ground.
That's slamming your backpack too, bro. Oh shit!
Holy moly, look at all that dust.
Look at all that shit, dude. Oh my god. I mean, you're your fucking head, bro. Looking at this.
Just hop in the shower fully clothed.
I'm gonna have in the shower for like 2 minutes and then get out.
Woohoo.
I gotta wash the dust.
Well,
spoiler,
that's
man.
the end.
For this year, we'll do another one like during the summer, maybe if you
Yeah,
get back.
we'll see.
Early.
I have to see, because like we gotta do something new.
It was like a week earlier.
Oh hell yeah!
Sweet.
Okay, let me give you your blaster card.
Oh yeah.
Oh.